USB protection. Typical USB flash drives versus advanced USB protection. Hundreds of millions of USB flash drives are currently in operation around the world. The vast majority of them are basic, non-secure flash drives, while a growing percentage of the drives offer protection. Now let's review the differences between the typical flash drive and those that offer advanced USB protection. The typical USB flash drive. Standard USB flash drives have grown immensely popular due to the following. Small size. Due to their size, which is typically between 1 inch and 3 inches long, they can fit into laptop bags, pockets, and even on key rings. Ease of file transfer. People know that the files saved can be opened up wherever they are at the time on anybody's computer with no difference what operating system or version is used. Affordability. USB flash drives are so affordable that they are now often a giveaway at trade shows and can hold huge amounts of information. But the same reasons why they are so popular are also why they have become a huge liability for organizations. Due to the size, they fall out of pockets or are left in computers. Anybody that finds them can open them up on their computer, and typical USB flash drives are a dime a dozen. How many flash drives have you personally owned over the last 5 years? Now, think about where each of those flash drives are now located. More than likely, you are missing quite a few. Organizations now need to implement protective measures for USB flash drives to reduce the high cumulative cost of a lost flash drive, which includes detection and escalation time by employee, investigation time by IT, data breach costs, lost intellectual property, lost productivity, and other legal or regulatory costs. Flash drives have become ingrained in business operations and provide considerable gains in efficiency, but the liability associated with their loss must be mitigated. In order to do this, protective measures have been added to USB flash drives. Let's review the difference between a typical non-secure USB flash drive and one that incorporates considerable protection if it were to be lost. Advanced USB flash drive protection. The best of the protective flash drives incorporate advanced security measures into the drives. These measures include secure authentication, physical key security, and encryption. Encryption. The encryption algorithm should be at a minimum 128-bit encryption. The standard that the federal government has decided upon is the Advanced Encryption Standard, AES. Secure authentication. Authentication is the means by which the user enters their password or PIN. It is important that this method does not allow the password to be visible to malware that is used to sniff the password when it is typed into the authentication software. Hardware authentication, where a PIN is entered or a biometric fingerprint is swiped on the device itself, is the most secure. Physical security. The encrypted data and the encryption key should be stored in separate components of the flash drive, and all should be protected by physical barriers that make it nearly impossible to break through. This includes metal casing and use of an epoxy resin that completely covers the internal components of the secure flash drive.